Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Just for My Magical Planner. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So, about a month ago, Mandy Lynn Plans sent me a subscription box. It was her top of the line everything box for the Hobonichi cousin. And I've spent the last about month using those stickers because I wanted to see how many different spreads could I make with just that one box. And for the most part, I don't think I pulled in any additional stickers besides maybe some mood stickers, but we're going to go over all the different spreads I was able to create with that one box. So you get an idea of how far it stretches and what that looks like. So I have both my planners here. This one is a Sterling Ink planner. It's where I do my content planning. And this is my everyday Hobonichi cousin. So we're going to start with a cousin. I'm pretty sure this was my first spread in here with it. So obviously it was in August. This is her days of the week and everything up here. These are even her even her weather stickers, although those did not come in the box. So just as an FYI. But everything else on this page did. So I really liked the way this setup went. I really felt like the Silver Dawn, which is the color of this ink, which was a fountain pen ink, worked really well with these spreads. And it was just a really nice thing. Now, I did make an oops, and I misplanned on a week. So this page is blank, but we do have another spread here. This was just a really nice way, like you get so many days of the week, so it's easy to add them in. The only stickers on this page that are not from that box are these ones here. And those were mood trackers from a shop that I think has just closed down. I bought them off of Etsy, and that shop just doesn't seem to exist anymore. Otherwise, I'd tell you where that was. This is the third 2-page spread for a weekly. I did pull in the girl stickers. These are from Paper Doll Co. Other than that, let's see, is there anything else here? I don't think so. Oh, the movie night text. That is a leftover from a Happy Planner. But other than that, no, there's no other, like, it's this sticker and these two. And maybe the Don't Forget script and This Week in August. Those scripts might be from like my leftover sticker book. But I think everything else is from the box. I think that was the end of the weekly spreads in here. So it was just in August that I was using them because it was an August box. Next, let's go into the Sterling Ink. And I did use it for the monthly spread in here. This is, as I said, my content planner. So this is the monthly view and how I set it up. So I have video ideas kind of here on the side. And then I had enough boxes that I could put a box on each day that I wanted to do a video. These tend to be Plan With Me's on Sunday. These tend to be these tend to be Moxie Life videos, although obviously next week is going to be a sticker week. For the most part, I like my Tuesday videos to be fountain pen or informative videos, I would say. But of course, next week is going to be a sticker week because of just how things come out. This video will probably end up being either here. We'll probably end this week. We'll see. I mean, there's tons of stickers in here, and I have that big September script down here, and this big box, which gave me this. I track all my channel info, but I only try to do it once a month because I think doing it in smaller increments, kind of like, you know, weighing yourself. If you weigh yourself every day, your weight kind of fluctuates. It's the same thing with channel dynamics. So we have a monthly spread. Part of this was so that I could see what a monthly spread would look like, but I had other plans for my stay-at-home one. So we have this page, and then we also have some weekly pages. Now, I don't tend to write in here as much, but this was the plan for this week. I don't think any of these videos really got out. I just ended up getting sick. But you do get an idea of the sticker amount that can go in here. I think this was the only one in here. Yeah. And I don't think I used them anyplace else in here. Oh. Going back to the cousin, now we're going to look at daily pages, because I did use it on the daily pages and such. So this was my setup for my August kind of dashboard, because she does have a dashboard kit included in that subscription. So that's all this is. Then I made a wish list here. I mean, it's not really using a ton of the stickers, but that is what that is. Then I think it was a couple of weeks later. Maybe earlier? Oh, no, here we go. All right, here we go. This was me working out what I actually wanted to order originally for Hobonichi Cousin. So we're just going to ignore that because that's not what happened. But this is my daily pages that I put together with the daily kits that she had. So we have the nice washi at the bottom. We have the day of the week sticker. I added in, you know, just some other little things. The only stickers that didn't come in the kit on this page are, I think the to-do was from the leftover sticker book, but was a Mandy Lynn Plans. And the planner session was a leftover Happy Planner sticker. Then we have these two pages. The $2 Tuesday, I think, was on a freebie. And the canceled might have also come off of a Mandy Lynn freebie. So other than that, everything is from the kit. These two pages, so this is from Every Minute a Story. And the canceled girl, I can't remember where she came from, but the concert for that night was canceled, so we didn't go. It was a COVID thing. And then I have these two pages, which, I mean, it worked out really well. And I think that was all of the pages total that I was able to do. I mean, I could probably put together at least another daily page. Let me show you some of what's left from this kit. So it did come with some scripts. So I have put the leftover scripts in here. And so I still have an August script from it. I used the Septembers. I still have 3 Octobers. And I think that's it. And then I think there's the birthday sticker I didn't use. What else? The school sticker. I didn't use that one. Currently watching. I didn't use that one. That was for more the dashboard pages. Events. Currently reading To Read. We're also from that kit. I can't remember if the MLP order and MLP new release were from that kit. I think so. I think they were on the page with the scripts with icons. I think this To Go was from that kit as well. But other than that, that's all the ones that are in here. Let me pull out the actual kit and show you what I have left on the sticker paper. I did consolidate though. All right, here's what I have. I consolidated it down to these 3 sheets, which I can probably consolidate further, but this is what I have left from that entire kit. I have a couple of square boxes here, a few icons, and some dots, and 1 checklist, a little bit of deco, some of the washi stickers that she had, And then from the journaling kit, I have some like torn pieces of tape type ones, some page corners, the half circle here, one swatch, a couple of leaves, and a couple of flowers. These bookmarks. No, flags. There we go. A couple more dots and this torn piece of paper. So it's really not a lot. I do have also, obviously, and then along with that, I obviously still have some washi because these are rather large rolls of washi. So that is what's left from the kit. I think it was amazing. And I think it's the most spreads I've ever gotten out of a kit, to be honest. So I'm really rethinking what I want to do for my subscriptions. I mentioned this in the Cocoa Daisy subscription as well, that I am contemplating canceling that subscription and replacing it with either the Mandy Lynn Plans subscription or with the Sweet Kawaii Design subscription, or possibly a little of both. So, because for what I pay for that other subscription, which is almost $50, which I think was around the price of the deluxe kit that came in this. And I'm not sure that I would need the deluxe kit. I think I could get a Mandy Lynn's box and potentially a Sweet Kawaii Designs package for roughly the same price. So I'm doing some math and kind of thinking about things. If one is really appealing to my audience, though, I am going to listen to that because I like them both equally. I'm pretty sure there are advantages to both. So anyhow, that is what I got out of this subscription. I hope you kind of liked this, because I know I didn't get a lot of these Plan with Bees up because I was sick, so I wanted to make sure that I showcased them for you. Anyhow, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there, and until next time, I'll see you real soon.